I really think this saw is geared for framers that are doing a lot of cutting. Today we're going to be taking a look at Milwaukee's rear handle worm drive circular saw. Now this is a serious saw. I personally think this is great for framers. If you're a DIY or a homeowner, you're not doing a lot of cuts, this might not be the saw for you because it is a heavy duty saw and you're going to be able to plow through a lot of cool stuff. From LVLs, 2x material, plywood, no problem. So this is the kit. It comes with a battery and a charger and a bag. The charger itself, you can actually do M12s on them, so that's a real nice feature. The battery is a 12 amp hour battery. I've actually got the 8 amp hour battery right here. It comes with a 12, so we'll just pretend that this is the 12. Just for show, right? Now this saw weighs in at 13.5 pounds. For depth of cut at 90 degrees, we're going 2.5 inches. And at 45 degrees, we're going 1.7 inches. Now this saw will bevel all the way over to 53 degrees. Now at no load, this has 5,800 RPMs. And it also has Milwaukee's one key on this. So the battery slips in the back here, just like that. This is a blade left unit. So when you're cutting, hand on the top, hand on the back, super easy to use. The reason I love worm drive saws, especially when you're cutting large 2x material or LVLs, it really just wants to cut straight. Because these saws are a little heavier than your regular circular saw, they really like to stay straight. So if you're cutting downwards like this, they really want to just fall straight. So I really do like that about the circular saw. Now the blades on here are specific for worm drive saws. They also have the diamond knockout on them, so make sure you're getting the proper blade for that. We've got the safety up top here, so you just have to push down the button, pull the trigger, and away we go. It's got a nice brake on it too, so it's gonna stop. It's not gonna be running for a long time. When you set it down, it's a real great safety feature. And on the side, we have a rafter hook, so perfect for framing. Hook it up there. We've got 2 different sizes, so you can easily get that on a rafter or a joist. That's a real nice feature. Again, I really think this saw is geared for framers that are doing a lot of cutting. Perfect for a cut station. If you got your guy down below cutting and you're up top framing, this is a great saw to have. All right, guys, I hope the video was helpful. Till next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.